Professor George Magoha says that the country is not in a position to achieve social distancing in schools, and so the safety of learners will be pegged on how well they wear their face masks and maintain hygiene. Even so, some leaders claim that the need of learners with special need has not been put into consideration. Sharon Baranga reports.
It is just 2 days before learners report back to school for the second term. Education Cabinet Secretary has been visiting a number of schools in different counties to ensure preparations to receive learners are thoroughly done.
We opened for 3 million, and nobody is seeing that we opened for 3 million. They are seeing a few handfuls that had problems. Now, anyway, that is being Kenyan for you, isn't it?
Social distancing in schools remains a challenge, the government admits. Schools will have to be innovative in finding temporary solutions.
Having looked at the data we have on the ground, Kenya has a total of 16 million children in pre-primary, primary, secondary, and technical and tertiary institutions. And we declared as a government that social distance shall remain a challenge. I expect my teachers to be innovative according to the situation. There are many schools in the arid and semi-arid areas that shall achieve it because they don't have the numbers. Where the numbers are large, I expect, first of all the children to be masked. By being masked, I mean you cover your nose and mouth. If that is done, social distancing may not have as bad an impact as we expect. And that is why the government of the Republic of Kenya, through the ministries of education, interior and health, have now gotten a higher figure of masks. We are now talking about 7 million masks, which we shall give judiciously to the children that need them.
Another emerging debate is the needs of learners with special needs, which some leaders believe they have not been put into consideration.
But you can imagine a child with disability on a wheelchair, and a person who will be pushing that child. What is the social distance in that particular scenario? You can imagine a child who is blind, yes, and is required to keep social distance while they may not be able to see even where they are traveling to. The child who is blind is required to wash hands regularly. They may not be able to know the points in which we wash our hands. So we need to prepare not only for the able-bodied, but also for special schools and for peoples with disability.
Distribution of desks to schools in the country under the economic stimulus package continues. The project is meant to ensure social distancing is achieved as well as revive the Jua Kali sector that was hit by the global pandemic. Sharon Baranga, TV 47.